Thangmaiban MLA Kit Joy Kisan stressed the importance of forgiving others, stating that one will not lead a successful life in the absence of humanism, even if he or she is highly educated or wealthy. He was speaking at the Golden Jubilee celebration of Tehran Baptist Church SBA Women Fellowship, and speaking further, Joy Kishan emphasized the vital need for peaceful coexistence between different communities in the state, irrespective of caste, creed and religion. He appealed to all communities to stop blaming each other and strive towards bringing peace and development, while cautioning that hatred between different communities will bring a disastrous consequence to the younger generations. The MLA also announced that he will construct a new office building for Tehran Village before the next foundation day of SBA. Meanwhile, Tehran Village SBA Executive Secretary Reverend Kaishung Palme stressed the genesis of Tehran Village, stating that it is even documented in the historical accounts of Sana Konong. He also expressed contentment on reaching the SBA's milestone achievement of 50 years.
Ako'y tungi generation yung wakto bom dekale. Husik hanga kita hingdap. Husik say before this too late. Ako'y loy forget and forgive. Loy kautong na say ngak na say. Ako'y nungsi na say wakalo say. Sila mas na paimarwe. Conflicta involved community kangde conflicta involved community kangde. Loy mag say we are all Manipuris, we are all Indians. Sigis nang kau dana ako'y puno mag say nungsi na we are all humans say boses say. Humanity yaw draba humanism gi wakalon tabak taw dragadi like su panai chanu panasu chaw chanu panasu ina kong chanu makoi do isoni yar do ni atane
koi lamdam na sida community ki amuk leye koi Christian su leye ipai po pugi nat chapasu dum laibani adu maru oina isona pamse ngoi babu nungsi na lemena ba haibani mahak lakpasi ingtha taptaba purakpani haibani aduga bioi ba koi si kanasu landaba leite amana amabu poknaraga forgive and forget aibase ishona su takibani aduga koi gi punsi si ingtha tapthana peace oina partner ba haibase ishona pamni aduna lamdam asida leriba pai kibekpu ngasigi jubilee asigi numetigi hore haraga ekogi lamdam asida ingtha taptaba leisnu haibase aihakna mayamge mafamda thamjage ishona mayam bu pibi bo usnu